Test. Test, hello?
Hey, what's going on?
I think this thing is broken, man.
Nah, it's not broken. Give me. What are you trying to say?
I just want to tell Bobby that I gotta go to the bathroom.
I gotcha. All right. Doug for Bobby.
Go for Bobby.
What's your 20?
I'm down in Cranby, having a donut.
All right. AB is 10-2.
Copy that.
See? Just like that. Hey, this is Doug with B&H, and today we're going to get you familiar with how to use a walkie-talkie on a film set. This is crucial knowledge if you're just starting out and you don't want to get lost on your first day. It may seem as easy as just turning the walkie on, but there are rules and lingo that should be followed so that everyone is on the same channel. Let's start at the beginning. The first thing you need to know is how to wear the walkie. Once you get the hang of it, it's quite simple. Just loop the earpiece around your ear and run it under your clothing. There's a clip to attach to your collar to make sure the wire doesn't pull on the earpiece. Run the microphone out the front of your shirt and clip that close to your mouth. Plug the end into the walkie on your belt, and now just click the button on the microphone to talk. When you turn the walkie on, you have to make sure you're on the right channel, and then you have to do a walkie check.
Walkie check?
Walkie check, good.
Usually the different walkie channels are listed on your call sheet, so make sure you are set to the appropriate channel for your job. If you're a PA, you'll want to be on the production channel, which will be channel 1. Additional channels will be dedicated to other departments such as electric, grip, transportation, and more. There will be designated open channels for switching to and having longer conversations, but we'll get to that later. When trying to get in touch with a specific person from the crew, you would say,
AB for Doug.
Go for Doug.
Does anyone have eyes on Jake?
If you're asking if anyone has eyes on something, that means you're looking for someone or something. Stand by. That means I'm too busy to properly respond. Yeah, I see him.
Great, what's your 20?
Yeah, I'm near Crafty. I'm watching him suck down a latte. When someone asks you what your 20 is, they're just asking you where you're located.
10-4.
Saying 10-4 or copy lets people know that you've acknowledged and understood the message. Some additional phrases you may hear on the radio include such classics as flying in, which is bringing someone or something to set. Striking, not to be confused with letting people know you are turning a light on. This means to remove something from the set. ETA, estimated time of arrival.
We got a bogey down here.
Copy that, lock it up down there. Bogeys are people who shouldn't be on set and may have to be removed. Telling AB to lock it up refers to making sure that no one can get through and potentially be disruptive on set.
Copy that.
In addition to knowing how to communicate over walkie-talkie, it's important to remember some simple rules of etiquette. Don't make jokes. Banter will just cloud the line. Be concise and clear. Get to the point quickly. Make sure you've pressed the talk button and wait a beat, so the beginning of your sentence doesn't get cut off. You don't want to have to repeat yourself. Try to address people directly and avoid asking questions to everyone on that channel. If your conversation is going to take a while though, ask whoever you're speaking with to move to an open channel to continue the conversation. When you're done, make sure to move back to your designated channel. Always keep an eye on your channel dial. You don't want to accidentally miss someone looking for you. When wearing a surveillance earpiece, try to tuck the wiring under your clothes. Loose wire can get caught on things.
Okay, AB signing off.
And it is of course customary to let people know you're signing off if you're leaving for the day. Don't forget to charge up your walkie's battery that night or give your battery back to the person who will be handling that. You don't want to show up to set the following day still using yesterday's battery. So that should give you a better understanding now of some of the etiquette that goes into walkie use on a film set. There are many more phrases to know, but these should help get you started. This is Doug from B&H. I'll see you next time, and I'm signing off.
Test. What the hell's wrong with this thing? Hello?